How are you?
I'm sleepy but fine.
How can I help you?
Yes, I need. There was an issue with the card. Well, but now I want to know if the transfers to the city are still available.
Yes, it is. Yes.
And,
To the city? Yeah, it's the $15 transfer. For today or in Buenos Aires?
No, I live in Buenos Aires. So I want.
For today?
Do you need a transfer in Buenos Aires too?
No, to go to the airport.
Oh, I see.
This is the one to go to downtown, right?
Yes, but I don't know if it is worth.
You don't know if it's...
Do you know the city?
Well, we can give you a map or what are you looking for exactly?
No, I want to know if it's worth visiting the city because they told me it's not worth.
Oh, okay.
And another is
The city here is just downtown, but we do have...
I don't know if it is dangerous. So, well, just get me the map. I'm gonna do some
So you
research.
can, once you go to the terminal as well,
No, because the problem is I don't have cell phone. So if I go to the downtown and I have a problem, I have no communication at all.
Ah, okay.
So that's my issue. I don't know if it is a safe place or an unsafe place.
So far, we are okay. Check the daily review. In case there's anything happen, you can call this number. This is the number of the
Free toll or anything free.
If you can get somebody to help you to make a phone call,
Yeah.
this is the port agent of the ship and speak the language so that he can help you. Otherwise, at the back of your card, you also have the emergency number.
I can call here from the port.
Yes. And then at the back of your room key,
Yeah.
you have the emergency number in case something happens. What's your room number?
6158.
6158. We'll keep note on that, but if you want to go, you can find more information in the terminal.
Yeah.
And from there you
Can I ask her a question?
Almost laughable, really.
Yes, because she we used to put a card. You remember? Well, I asked her a question. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Well,
You're a bad guy, thank you.
this card, we put a card, and it's working. But I am being charged, I think, the tips.
Uh-huh. Can you print
And-
both his accounts? Let me check it for you. Just give me a second.
2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. You're welcome.
But I have few time to go to the town, or do I
Well,
have
we'll leave at 6.
What was your room number? 91?
6-1?
56.
We'll leave at 6, and all on board time for the guests is 5:30.
When is the latest bus from the city center?
We went from the city center. That will be 5.
Oh, right, just let me check.
Right now it's 2, so it's a 3
Tell me
hours.
your stateroom number,
If there's
please.
one dummy as well, just print both of them so that we can check the credit card that is linked to each account.
When I get charged to my card, right?
From 8:45 till 8:30.
So there
We went in there
3188.
at 8 o'clock, but we only had one drink. But we haven't signed it.
Alright, just let's check which charges.
So this one is the bill that we've been charging
far,
you
yeah.
on the card 7197955.
Let me check, because I don't remember.
Back to your account.
No.
But I just would like to ask you to stay with
This
me
was
because I need
the card to go to you.
No, 3188 goes to your original account.
I don't know.
So this one is the account that you had when you came on
Yeah,
board.
but that was fully cancelled.
Huh?
Fully cancelled, I paid all the money.
You paid.
Let me change your card and now it's
Yeah, you paid this amount in cash. We just have $25 on this account. Okay.
In favor.
No, $25.
I owe
Yeah,
$25.
$25. Yes. I guess you paid.
Well, anyways, I will.
Yeah, your total charge here was $270. Otherwise, if you want, we can.
I
try.
also money, so it's easy.
Otherwise, you can shift some
but,
over here.
I just want to know.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this is it. Just
If you want, I can take some. The $25 here, I put it here.
No, thanks. No. Later, before I get out of the ship in Buenos Aires, I will pay all my debts.
Okay.
I mean, all.
you're welcome. Enjoy the day.
But I need to know if you are somehow charging in this card.
Yeah.
In this card ending in 3188.
Yeah.
If you are charging the daily.
Gratuity. No, since it doesn't appear here, we don't charge anything. Because whatever appears here is the one that we are charging. So, gratuities, when we charge, is for the stateroom attendant, the one who cleans your room, and the one who does the bed. Or the one who serves.
I checked my account online on this account, and I was charged $14.
$14.
Yeah, I have a screen capture.
We have. Can
Not
you?
anymore.
I don't know. Okay.
Because right now we haven't done it since.
Fine.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just curious because I was afraid of being charged.
Oh no,
Like this card has like $100 no
Okay.
more, because it's a prepaid card, you know. And I just wanted to know before, because I don't want to have issues with my bill, and I had to have issues with it. And well, so I
Oh,
not
good. Oh, good then.
so far. Yes, I guess. Okay, just I think okay. Yes.
Great. Well, you still have time to go if you want to go to downtown.
Yes, but
Right
I
now
don't
the
have
shuttle-
I don't have reais. You know they use reais.
You don't have Brazilian money.
Yeah, you don't. And then I'm afraid I have Argentinian money, but it not worth a lot.
It doesn't help a lot.
Not
We're trying to see maybe there's money exchange or.
Here,
or
I mean
no,
there.
not here, but in the terminal,
Oh. Yeah.
the cambio or stuff you can change your money or banks.
You should know to the terminal is free, so you can always go to the terminal, and if you don't like it, you can always come back.
And then if you're in the terminal, you want to go to the town, you can still give your room number and your ticket, and they will charge you when you come on board.
I don't know if it's safe. It's the only thing I don't know.
Well, so far we've been okay.
No killing or murderers or kidnapping.
Haven't got that yet. No, I understand it.
No, but I read online that sometimes
It tends to be dangerous, yeah. But I don't know.
have
didn't think of
any
It's safer than Brazil, than Rio.
Rio.
It's going to say.
it's safer here than in Rio, or it's what? Yes. Why is
Should be
this?
okay, well. That's the thing, we didn't have anything so far. I mean,
Have you done this trip many
this one is
times?
the first time the ship is doing it.
Oh.
But we used to have a different ship doing it. For this ship to do it, it's the first time. But we used to have another ship that was doing this itinerary, and we've been doing it for a long time as well.
All right, yeah. Yes,
Okay.
I'm gonna try to go to the terminal. But so that's an important question. Will I be billed in my account, or do I have to pay in cash the transfer?
Your account. You will, they
In
will
your
just
account.
ask for your room number, and then it will go straight on this second one. This account. 3188.
Because this car has no money, so no available
So
funds.
we'll transfer it
you know?
tonight. If you, once
This
you get
account
it done,
is really, I don't know how to say, but doesn't have any more available funds. These cars.
Okay, but
It was
it's no problem because we
you
will never
will-
charge this card if you don't want it.
you will
This
just
one is
charge
an
this.
automatical charge.
Yes. Yeah. Well, thank you. Well, you are really helpful. Sometimes I get angry and mad with people here, which is not usual for me. But you are really helpful. I mean, it's not useful to find such a helpful people.
Thank you very
That's
much.
what we're here for.
No, I know, but you know, some places. No, the medical. I will tell you something. I shouldn't, but I will. The medical facility. The medical facility has some people that doesn't treat you really nicely.
Do you know who you talk to?
What's happening?
Portuguese guy. Coming to the conference.
How are you?
No, there's a Portuguese guy, and there's a girl from South Africa.